the number of years in which each of the given 8 companies had a sales value of more than 100 crores is at most. Each of the companies should have sales value of more than 100 crores. So if you make sure that the company with the least market share, that is the 8th company in the decreasing order of market share, if that company has at least 100 crores of market share in terms of value, then all the other companies will also have at least 100 crores. So let's see for how many of these years is that possible. So if you look at 2008, the sum of the top 3 comes to 76% of the total. So remaining 24% is left. For 2009, it is 75% of total, that is 30 plus 20 plus 25. Remaining 25% is there. And for 2010, 15 plus 24 plus 25, that's 64% of total. Remaining 36% is there. For the last year, sum of the 3 values is 62% of total, remaining 38% is there. Okay, now let's look at 2008. For 2008, if a company should have at least 100 crores, now what percentage should be its share in the total sales value? For 2008, 100 should be what percentage of 2800? 10% of 2800 is 280. 1% of 2800 is 28. So 1% of 2800 is 28. Now how many such 28s do I need to get a value of 100? 3 28s would not suffice. I have to put at least 4 28s. As the market shares are all distinct natural numbers, the market share should be at least 4% for a company, so that when you take 4% of 2800, it will cross 100. 3% of 2800, 3% of 2800 will be 28 into 3, that will not cross 100. So at least 4% should be there. So the remaining 5 companies, for 3 companies we have got the sum of market share is 76%. For the remaining 5 companies, if I start for the lowest company with 4 and then add 1 each, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I make these as the percentage shares, then if I add the values, so 4 plus 8, 12, 24 plus 6, now this itself will come to 30%. So if I give the least required value for the smallest company and just keep incrementing the other values by 1, 1, 1, that itself is coming to 30%, but I've got only 24% to be distributed to these 5, which means in this year, 2008, all the 8 companies cannot have at least 100%. So this year is out. Let's try for 2009. For 2009, to get 100 crores, let's see what is the minimum required percentage share in total revenue. 1% of 4,500 is 45. So 2% if I take, it will come to 90. That would not suffice. I need at least 3% share. At least 3% share should be there for a company, so that the company's sales value will cross 100. Now we have got 25% here to be distributed to 5 companies. So let me start with 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I were to distribute like this, then what will be the total value? 3 plus 7, 10, another 10, it's coming to exactly 25%, which means this is possible. So for 2009, I can distribute like this and make sure that each of the companies has at least 3% market share and hence more than 100 crores of total sale value. So 2009, we can make it happen. Now coming to 2010. 2010, we have got 36%, means you have got a greater space for adjustment here, and the total sales value is also a bigger number. So if I were to calculate for 2010, 100 is what percentage of 3,600? So 1% of 3,600 is 36, 2% is 72. I need at least 3%. Now at least 3% we were able to fix the values even with 25% left. So with 36% left, easily you can fix the value, with the smallest value being 3 and the other values you can adjust as you want. So definitely 2010 will be possible. 2011, you have 38% with 3,200. Again 3,200, 1% of 3,200 is 32. We need 4%. At least 4% you need, right? 32 into 4 will cross 100. We can comfortably start from 4 and go on, because 38 is a huge number. So let's try doing it. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 6, it's coming to 30, which we already did for 2008. So there will not be any problem. You can make sure each of the companies have at least 100 crores. So answer is 3 for this question.